Hey everyone, welcome back to the Soft Speak English podcast.
Hi, guys. Today we are talking about a very simple moment, but also a very important feeling.
Yes, let me ask you something, Jake. Have you ever woken up very early, not because of an alarm, just suddenly awake?
Yes, yesterday actually, and it surprised me.
What time?
5:02 a.m. I looked at the clock, then I looked again. I thought the clock was wrong.
That early morning silence can feel strange, right?
Very strange. Usually when I wake up, my brain is already busy, but this time it was quiet.
What was the first thought in your head?
Honestly, I didn't have a thought, and that was the strange part.
No thought?
Normally, my brain says, I am late, I have messages, I need to hurry. But yesterday morning, nothing.
Did you try to sleep again?
Yes, I closed my eyes, but my body felt rested, my mind felt awake.
So you got up?
Slowly, I didn't want to break the silence.
I understand that feeling.
I walked to the kitchen and made coffee very slowly. I didn't rush, I didn't check my phone.
No phone is the key detail here.
Yes, I think touching the phone would destroy the moment.
What did the world look like outside?
Dark blue sky, street lights still on, no cars, no voices, no people walking.
And inside?
Warm light, quiet room, and the sound of coffee pouring.
That sounds peaceful.
More than peaceful, it felt clear.
Clear mind?
Yes, like my brain had space again.
You know why that happens?
Tell me.
During the day, your brain reacts. In the morning, your brain thinks.
Explain that difference.
During the day, your brain answers questions from the world. Morning gives your brain time to ask its own questions.
So silence gives control back to the mind.
Exactly.
I noticed something interesting. I started speaking English to myself.
Without planning?
Yes, just describing what I saw.
What did you say?
I am awake early. The air feels cold. My coffee smells warm. I feel calm.
Simple sentences.
Very simple, but natural.
Did you translate in your head?
Less than usual. Words came slowly, but easily.
That's important. When the brain is calm, language becomes observation instead of performance.
Performance, that's what I feel during the day.
Yes, people try to sound correct instead of expressing reality.
So confidence is not personality.
Not always. Sometimes confidence is environment.
Meaning?
Remove pressure and confidence appears naturally.
People think fluency means speaking fast.
But fluency means speaking comfortably.
Comfort comes from safety.
Exactly. Your brain must feel safe to make mistakes.
During the morning, I didn't care about mistakes.
Because nobody existed in your mental audience yet.
Mental audience, that's a good phrase.
We imagine listeners judging us even when nobody is there.
That happens to many learners.
Yes, they are fighting imaginary reactions while trying to build real sentences.
So early morning removes imaginary pressure.
Correct.
So I actually felt slower but clearer.
Slow thinking improves language building.
Fast thinking causes translation panic.
Let's give listeners a simple experiment.
Yes, not a challenge, just a small try.
Wake up 20 minutes earlier one day.
Do not open social media.
Sit comfortably.
Describe your surroundings in English.
5 sentences only.
For example, my room is quiet. The light is soft. I feel relaxed. The air is cool. I am awake.
No grammar correction.
No memorized phrases.
Just observation.
You are training thought flow, not vocabulary storage.
Exactly. Language follows thought clarity.
If you try this, tell us in the comments, morning thinker or night thinker.
And subscribe to Soft Speak English if you like calm learning.
Let's review keywords.
Quiet. No sound around you.
React, automatic response.
Observe. Careful noticing.
Clear mind, organized thinking.
Pressure. Mental weight.
Comfort, relaxed feeling while speaking.
Remember, Fluency grows in safe mental space,
Not in stress,
not in speed.
but in calm repetition.
Maybe tomorrow morning will feel different for you.
Maybe silence will help you speak.
This is Anna.
And this is Jake.
See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.